Hello, SNHU 107. This is Kelly. Hope you are all doing well, and I wanted to take a few moments as we are beginning Module 3 to take a closer look at the journal assignment that we have for this week. This can be a slightly confusing assignment, so I want to take some time to walk through it together. So to get to that assignment, we're going to pop into our learning modules and then down to Module 3. And of course, you'll come in here and you'll read through the description and the things that are expected from this week. But we are going to jump right down to the journal. And we'll click here on the journal and again on the title of this journal. If there were multiple journals in this class, they would all be listed here, but we only have one. And here we find the journal assignment for this week. And our assignment is looking at the rubric for Final Project 2 that is due in Module 7. In Module 7, we will be completing a time management plan as well as a plan for your academic success while you're here at SNHU. And to do this, we want to take a look at the rubric, which is going to be used to assess that work for Module 7. All assignments at SNHU have a rubric attached to them and assignment guidelines, and that's how you know exactly what is expected of you. And instructors know exactly how to assess the work that is turned in. So we're going to take a look at that Module 7 rubric for Project 2, and we're going to take a look at what are the critical elements of that assignment, which elements do we think are going to be easiest for each of us as individuals to master and why, and then finally which elements are going to be more difficult, and that's going to be different for each person. As we've been talking about in the My Success Plan activity, we all have different strengths and weaknesses, and so identifying those for ourselves gives us an opportunity to put together a plan to address them. When you go to write your journal, you're going to come right in here and click Create Journal Entry, and it's going to take you to this page that looks very much like a discussion board, and this is where you'll do that journal assignment. But for right now, let's pop over and take a look at the rubric that you're looking at for this assignment. So we're going to find that in Course Information and in the Assignment Guidelines and Rubrics folder. So the blog or journal rubric is how we are assessing this assignment, the journal itself. So you're going to want to take a look at that. And for the journal, we are writing about the Project 2 rubric. So we're going to pop right in here and take a look. And you'll see here, and you can read this in more detail, the expectations for this assignment. And as we scroll down, we'll come to the critical elements for this assignment. And you'll see there are actually 6 critical elements. One mistake I made as an online student in my first class was not scrolling to see that there was a second page to the rubric, so always make sure you've gotten to the very end of that. And so we're taking a look at these 6 different critical elements: your time management plan, your identified black holes, your academic mission statement revised, which we'll be working on the first draft of in just a few weeks, your social, motivational, and academic support, your measurement of success, and writing mechanics. And you'll notice that the different levels of these, exemplary, proficient, needs improvement, and not evident, are the same that we see in our discussion board rubric. And you'll find that these are standardized across most courses at SNHU, so become very familiar with these. So in your journal, you're taking a look at these 6 elements and identifying which are going to be easiest and which are going to be more difficult for you when we attack this assignment in a few weeks. If there are any questions that I can answer for you about this journal assignment or the upcoming final projects, please let me know. I'm more than happy to talk through any of these with you, as they, again, can sometimes be a little bit confusing. Thanks for all of the great work you've been doing so far. I've been really enjoying getting to know you in the discussion board, and look forward to getting to know you even more through this final project, where we're taking a really close look at how you're going to reach and exceed your goals here at SNHU and for your future careers. Thanks for your time. Have a great weekend.